Assalamu Walaikum. In this video I will show you how to remove Google from permanently. Let's get started. Take a blank form, make a Google form, give the title name, create the question, now I will remove this from permanently. Go to head of top in this form, click the drop down menu and click the move to trash and go to from home screen. My form is deleted permanently. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.